Welcome to Hobby 101. In this video, we are going to explore Ennies.
You can do it, just take it slow. Every line a masterpiece, let it show.
We first start by drawing these paisley-like shapes. In this case, I'm drawing a ring of paisley shapes. They look like tadpoles too. Then I follow by doing an inner outline inside those paisley shapes, and now I'm gonna fill up that space with another official Zentangle pattern called tipple. These are just circles, circular shapes to fill in that area. If you're looking for a simple, beginner-friendly Zentangle pattern that instantly adds texture and movement to your art, you're going to love this one. In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to draw Ennies, a playful and organic tangle created by Maria Thomas, co-founder of the Zentangle Method. And yes, this is an original Zentangle pattern. Please visit Zentangle.com for more information at the Zentangle headquarters. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This helps YouTube know that you think my content is worth sharing to new audiences. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a tangle. Now we're going to add some shading. This is going to give a nice 3D effect. I like to shade on the inside of the fill, so it looks like a recessed pond or a recessed stream or river. Hence my opening background image and the trickling river or stream audio I chose for this video. And there you have it. You now know how to draw the tangle pattern Ennies.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.